In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your OneDrive folders and files, ensuring that your personal and sensitive data remain secure from prying eyes. Let's dive in. First, it's important to note that OneDrive itself doesn't offer a direct option to password protect individual files or folders within its existing framework. But don't worry, there are effective workarounds that will get the job done. The methods we'll be discussing today are practical and straightforward. To begin, you'll need to install and use third-party software to zip your files with a password. One popular option for this is 7-Zip, a free, open-source utility program. Start by downloading and installing 7-Zip from its official website. Once you've done that, locate the folder or file you want to protect in your OneDrive directory on your computer. Right-click on it, then select 7-Zip from the context menu, followed by Add to Archive. A dialog box will open, allowing you to configure the archive settings. Here, you'll see an option to set a password. Carefully enter a strong password, something that's both memorable for you and hard for others to guess. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is a good choice. Make sure to type it again in the Re-enter Password field to confirm. For added security, choose the AES-256 encryption method from the drop-down list. Now, it's time to compress and encrypt your data. Click OK. This will create a zipped archive of the file or folder in the same location with the password you've set. Remember, the original unencrypted files will still remain in their location, so you may want to remove them just to keep things secure. Don't forget to double-check that your zip folder opens as expected with the password. Upload this password-protected zipped folder back into your OneDrive account. Anyone who tries to access this folder will need the password to unpack the files. By following these steps, your data is now much better protected. While this method provides an effective security layer, it's essential to remember that the strength of your protection depends significantly on the complexity of your chosen password. Avoid obvious choices like password 123 or birth dates, opting instead for longer, more intricate combinations that only you would know. Lastly, for those who often share files, consider creating a document with a hint or reminder for your password. Just ensure it's stored securely and separately from your OneDrive. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance the security of your OneDrive files. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure online.